Hello everyone. Question 2 from worksheet 4. Simplify and express in exponential form. Exponential means you have to express the answer in the power form. So let's try the first part. Observe the first part. Can we use any law here? Yes, we can use the law here. 9 by 2 and one power is inside and one is outside. So what will you do? You will multiply them together. So 0 multiply any number would be 0. So this would be the answer. We will not write this number anything power 0 as 1 as an answer, because in the question they have asked to write it in exponential form or power form. Same way the second part, how we will do it? Minus 5 by 17 power 16 multiply 3. So it would be minus 5 by 17. 16 multiply 3 would be the power here. Similarly in third part, 4 by 7. So it would be power 4 into 4. So 4 by 7 power would be 16. So this would be the answer. In fourth part, observe it. First we will solve the inner bracket. So by using the law, observe here, the bases are same and the powers are different and it is in the multiplication form. So how can we write it? By using the law, we will add the powers together. So this would become minus 2 by 5 power 5 and outside is 4. Now this is same as the previous part. What will you do? 5 multiply 4. So minus 2 by 5 power would become 20. Power would become 20. Now in this part, in fifth part, bases are same but it is in division form. So what will you do? 3 by 5 first power minus second power. So it would become 3 by 5 minus 5. Power would become minus 5. But remember that you will not keep the power as minus 5 unless and until it has been asked to write it in negative power or in negative exponent. So what will you do? You will change this power in positive. Now think over. How can we change it? We will change the base. We will reciprocal the base. So it would become 5 by 3 and the power will become positive. So remember, if the power is negative, reciprocal the base and the power will become positive. In sixth part, 12 by 5. Here the power is 0 and what about the power here? Power is 1. So bases are same, multiplication. So what will you do? You will add the power together. So 0 plus 1. Now what is 0 plus 1 equals to? 0 plus 1 equals to 1 and outside is power 5. Now what should be next step which you will use it by using the law of exponent? Multiply these powers together. So 1 multiply 5. So the final answer would be 1 multiply 5 would be 5. So 12 by 5 and its power as 5. I hope that this question is clear to all of you. In question third, you have to evaluate. Evaluate means you have to find its final answer. So let's go for the question. First part. Again base is same, division. So what will you do? you will subtract the power. First power minus second power. So minus 3 by 4, power is minus 2. As I have told it, the power should not be in negative. So to make it positive, reciprocal the base. So it would become minus 4 by 3 and the power will become positive. But the question is, you have to evaluate. Means you have to find the final answer. So what would be the final answer? By multiplying it 2 times. So 16 by 9 would be the final answer. Let's take second part. First we will solve this bracket. So how can we solve it? 1 power 2 is 1. So it would become 5. 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2 and upper is 1 by 5. So what it will become? 5 power 4 and here it is 1 by 5. We can write this 4 with 1 also because 1 power 4 will remain as 1. So hardly makes any difference. Now observe, the bases are same and it is in the multiplication form. So what we will do? We will add the power. So it will become 1 by 5 and the power will become 5. So to evaluate it further, what should be next step? You have to open this bracket 5 times to get its answer. So 1 by 5, 5 times you will be getting 1 by 625 as the answer. Now let's take the third part. So what should be the first step here? You have to solve this bracket. So how will you solve it? How will you solve it? By using the law of exponent. 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2. And write the second term as it is. So minus 5 by 6 power 4 divide minus 5 by 6 power 2. So what should be the next step? Just think over. Yes, the bases are same. It is in division form. So what will you do? What will you do? You will subtract the power. Minus first power minus second power. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Now multiply minus 5 by 6 2 times. So minus minus will become plus. So 25 by 36 is the answer. In fourth part, observe. First we will solve this bracket. So we will write the first term as it is. Divide. How can we solve the second bracket? 2 multiply 0. 2 multiply 0. So what it should be? 2 multiply 0 will be 0 itself. So it would be 0. Now bases are same. It is in the division form. So power will be subtracted. So first power minus second power. So 2 by 3. 2 minus 0 will be 2. Now solve it. 2 upon 3 2 times. So it would be 4 by 9 as the answer. Now fifth part is very important. Observe this part. If you will see, there is a minus sign in between. So we can't use the law over here directly. So in this case, we will use the law in this direction first. And then we will go further. Observe. In this case, it is in the division form. Instead of putting the symbol like this, division, they have taken in upon form. So bases are same and the powers are different. So what will you do? First power minus second power. So we will solve the first part. 5 minus 3. Now put the minus sign here. Similarly, you can solve the second one. 1 by 2. Bases are same. Subtract the power since it is in the division form. So it will become 1 by 2 power 2 minus 1 by 2 power 1. Observe. Now after this step, we can't use any log. So what we will do? We will solve it. 1 by 2 2 times, it would be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 power 1. So it will remain as 1 by 2. So how will you solve this one? By taking its LCM. Divide and multiply. So the answer which you will get it as minus 1 by 4. I hope these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.